Sir, thank you very much for taking out time for Urdu News. So, as you know, that Saudi Arabia and Pakistan have very cordial relations, and so many Pakistanis work in Saudi Arabia. So, please tell us what is current condition of Pakistani laborers in Saudi Arabia, and are you in process of taking more Pakistani laborers over there, and how many laborers over there?
Regarding the worker, we have now more than 2,006,000 workers in Saudi Arabia, and in the past years there will be big effort from the government of Saudi Arabia to enhance the environment of the worker from all nations and protect their right. At the same time, there is a lot of efforts that be done by Saudi Ministry of Human Resource and Social Development. They launched many programs that protect the right of the labor and protect their wage and enhance the environment that and condition that allow them to provide the maximum effort that they can to help the nation of Saudi Arabia to develop and reach its target for the ambitious vision of 2030. We coordinate with the Pakistani government and Ministry of Overseas, and there is a need for professional worker. So we launched some program that and training for the worker from Pakistan before they get visa to Saudi Arabia. They should get some test and some qualification. After that, they will be educated about their right, and then they can have the visa to visit Saudi Arabia. Still, the visa is on demand, and so many companies they are asking for skill from a worker from Pakistani. They are well known as hard worker in Saudi Arabia, and they are good and qualified worker.
Are you involved in some training projects of Pakistani workers inside Pakistan?
Yeah, well, we are about to launch some training program inside Pakistan. We will make contract with some center. We have some criteria, and we will put some condition for the worker. So with the coordinate with the Pakistani, the test will and the examination and the selection will be here before they reach and before they get visa to Saudi Arabia.